Good morning, my valued customers. Good morning, friends. Thank you so much for being there for us. Thank you for your support. Thank you for purchasing every bag of coffee made by Coffee Couriers. Today is Thursday, the 25th of January 2024. I want to show you how to brew your coffee at home, at your office, at your quiet time, or anywhere if you don't have a coffee maker. It's a very easy steps. It's a very easy guidelines that I want to teach you because I want you to understand how to brew it so you enjoy your coffee without having a coffee maker. Very easy steps, very easy and easy to go. All you need to do, my lovelies, is to have this equipment. This is scoop. You need to have a scoop or tablespoon. You need to have your mug, teacup, and your shifter if you don't have your coffee maker. And also very important thing that you don't need to leave behind, because this is something that you use, it's your coffee. It's your grounded coffee. This is powder grounded coffee. It's grounded already. Let me just show you. So if you don't have your coffee maker, you just need to have your grinder. And sorry, you just need to have your grounded coffee. This is freshly grounded. It smells really fresh. And your hot water. So guys, please relax. Let me show you through. Thank you. You take 1 scoop and you add your hot water. And then you stir it. So the reason why you have to use the shifter, guys, to stir it and sorry to shifter it is because it has some small chaff you can see through. Some people, well, for me, I rather drink it this way because this chaff is also good for you for stomach pain. It heals the stomach pain. For men, if you are going through a stomach pain, this chaff is good for you as well. So you have to stir it for like 5 seconds very well, and then you use your other mug. And for the shifter. So this is the tool. No need for you to worry to get a coffee maker, guys. It's just look the same. It's just the same as when you use a coffee maker to brew the coffee. So this is what we have. You see, no chaff, no nothing. Wow. So this is honey. This is organic honey. You add this to your coffee. If you don't have sugar, you can use brown sugar. It all depends how you want it. Honey is very good. Honey and coffee also is very good. So look at what we have. This is the chaff, and this one you can use it for fertilizer for your plants. You can use this one to make a face scrub. You can use this one to grow your ear. You can add some other things that you use to grow your ear and your face, whatever thing you want to use it for. And this is the coffee. It's so sweet, so nice, so delicious, guys. So I like my coffee very hot, so I don't need to waste time. I just take it out to give me strength, energy for the day. I hope you learned from this video, guys, and I want to say thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching this video. In case you have any question, please leave it at the comment section. Share this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel to help your coffee gear grow. And I want to say this is made in Saloon. This coffee is grown and harvested, roasted, packaged in Sierra Leone. If you come to Saloon and you want something organic, if you want organic coffee, you can please visit us at 47 on South Drive. Call us on 088-263333. We are open for partnership and we are looking forward. I want to say thank you so much again, and I really appreciate you. I love you.